Hey guys, welcome to another edition of Thursdays with Thorny over here at San Diego Harley. We left off with interviewing some of the staff here at the service department side. Let's go see who else we got to bother. Eric, that guy's a waiter. Cory today. Hey Cory, what up, man? Cory here, our Master Technician in our service department. Cory, how long have you been with San Diego Harley?
9 months.
9 months. But you're no stranger to Harley. How long have you been wrenching for the HD?
Almost 19 years.
Hey, that's for a minute.
Pretty long time, man.
You've seen a few things, I'm sure. Heck yeah. Well, as Master Technician, what does the man ride? What's your workhorse?
Right over there, 21 Pan America.
Oh, okay. You got it a little suited up. Let's pan on over to the Pan Am. Right on. This is so. What can you tell me about this Rev Maxed Up Pan Am?
It's an all-new motor for Harley. It's my workhorse. It really is. I love this bike. It's great. It's powerful. It can do pretty much anything you want to do. Travel cross country, go off-road, whatever you want to do. It's ready for it. Even on rainy days like this, no big deal.
Yeah, does it all.
I have done some trips down to Florida when I was in Virginia. I did go up into the mountains out here one time. But hopefully this summer I can get out there a little bit more.
Do you have a preference between East Coast and West Coast rides?
Not yet. Once I get to my West Coast rides, I'll figure it out.
You gotta get to unlock a few more spots.
I do plan on doing like the BDRs out here and stuff like that.
Okay. So. Are you familiar more with the East Coast then? Do you have any ones you could recommend for the boys over in the East?
You can do the tail of the Dragon, the back of the Dragon. There's a bunch of rides out there in Tennessee and North Carolina, up in the mountains, the Blue Ridge Mountains. So yeah, there's tons of riding out there.
Thank you. Cory, you also do some rentals. Can you talk a little bit about that?
I do. I have a 25 Road Glide that I personally rent out myself. It's my personal bike. It's on ridershare.com. If you're interested in renting a motorcycle, you can go on ridershare.com and put in destination San Diego, and then you can scroll through the motorcycles that are there. You can filter it just for Harley and then find a Road Glide that has my name next to it and sign up.
We're gonna leave a link down below. We're talking about a 2025 117 M8 motor. For the new ones, if you don't know, they do come with the handlebars kind of all ready to go right there. You have all the modes. So if you're trying to do the sports mode, rain mode, bigger bags, I mean, the thing's set up. So far, we've gotten good responses from your rental.
Good response from my rentals so far, yes.
Heck yeah.
It's out right now, actually.
Well, thanks for your time, man.
Thank you, Thorny.
Heck yeah. Well, that's it for this week's of Thursdays with Thorny here at sunny San Diego Harley-Davidson. Be safe out there. See you later. This is Cory, one of our technicians here.
Master Technician.
You heard the man.
Shut up! Wiring trained and certified. You want to do these?